If a case, okay, if a man is traveling in the metro, okay, and by mistake he touches the finger of a girl, what happens? You know, he slapped it like this, okay. She does not think, okay, for a second. He may be a father of someone, he may be brother of someone, he may be going to hospital. She does not think, and the same man provides seats to women.
said कि only we talk about girls कि girls के तरह ये करते हो, girls के तरह खेलते हो, and we have been suffering from our childhood कि we have been listening from our childhood कि अब आना उठ पार के नीचे, उठनी भी पार के नीचे आती है।
ये बात बरका वाला बात कह दिया ना, जी हाँ, ओके।
एंड पीपल से कुत्ते की मौत मरेगा, कुत्ते भी मर कुत्ते भी मर कुत्ते भी मर कुत्ते भी मर।
Hey, good morning. Good morning. Are you fine? Yes. Yes, you're looking very fine. The boys are not fine today. They are thinking about the cases, okay? What are the cases? Raja Raghuvanshi case and Sonam. का नाम पूरा बताओ, तो पूरी जानते हो उसके बारे में. Speak up something. All right. And Muskan and Saurabh cases. And one more case. What was that? Jyoti Maurya and Rohit, Anup, whatever, right? These are few cases are spreading like wildfire, okay? And everybody is adding fuel to this. Boys are suffering. Boys are dying. Boys have a lot of pain. Boys cannot survive now. You forgot a lot of cases. Aftab and Shraddha cases. You forgot. You are becoming very selfish. How can you talk only about men cases? There are a lot of cases going against women every day. If I am wrong, please tell me I am wrong. It's not about men and women. It's about humanity. Why is a human being becoming very dangerous nowadays? Why a man, why a woman is killing someone with this brutality? Why? Why are we becoming wild beasts? Why are we becoming animals? This should be talked. Why people are not respecting relations, okay? Why people are not respecting their own people? Their father, mother, brother, sister, and wives and husband. People are talking, एक इंसान नहीं मरा है, विश्वास मर गया है. People are talking, a human being is not killed. Faith is killed. But boys are raising voice today. It is not, you must not separate it, that the boys' cases of girls' cases. These are becoming new normal of our country. Let me talk about our country first, because we want to make our country better. Right? Is this a place where a man wants to live? Is the country where our great people wanted to make? Okay, tell me. No. But today, what is happening? Worldwide, we are getting disrespect because of this. Why are we killing? Man is killing small kids, okay? He is killing a child, okay, of 6 years or 6-year child, 2 years child, and this suits that actually. A lot of cases are like that. Rape cases against 4 years old girl, 3 years old girl is going on, and 60 years old ladies as well. Is this humanity? No. Should we talk about men only? Should we talk about only women? We must talk about whole humanity, whole world. We are becoming, hyper. हम गुस्सैल होते जा रहे हैं. We are becoming aggressive. We are not able to tolerate. We have anger. We have anxiety. We have depression. We have problems, and we are enjoying the problems. We support these type of things, okay, by writing comments and likes, okay, on our social media pages. Why are we doing this thing? Why is it happening? The matter has to be talked, and this must be spread like wildfire. This video must be spread like wildfire. Everybody has to understand why are we doing it. and it's not about man and woman. But फिर भी आज man और woman बात करेगा. क्या बात करेगा? You know, they will talk that woman will tell this case is exaggerated, and man will talk that this case is not exaggerated. Okay? The man will talk this is not exaggerated, and the woman will talk this is exaggerated. Women will talk when we have problems, men don't talk, and men will talk when we have problems, women don't talk. But today we will understand many things. Okay, we will understand many things. So viewers, you must watch this video. कभी कभी बड़े वीडियो पे भी टाइम निकाल लिया कीजिए. Life is not a reel. Okay, it's not a short video. You want long life and you want short video. Decide what type of life you want. Okay, sometimes you must give, sometimes. Okay, sometimes you must give, sometimes, right, to right things. Okay, great things are not entertaining, brother. Great things are not entertaining. Okay, and all the entertaining things are not great. It's your decision. What do you want to decide today? Sitting here is very painful. A lot of people are, in the bed right now. You know why? They do not want to change the status of themselves. Okay, a man without thought is just equal to animal, and we are not trying to change our thoughts. Why? Tell me. So I have set the platform. Okay, and viewers, you must like, share अभी कर लो, because बीच में आपको वक्त नहीं मिलेगा, because you won't blink your eyelids. Okay, you will watch it, I know, completely. Thank you very much. I'm calling my students. Okay, and from the girl side, Miss Tantana Sneha Kumari. Please clap for Miss Sneha. Right? Yes. Okay. Now next from boys. Okay, fiery speaker of SMB English, and he is not Mr. Saqib. He is the partner of Saqib. He is Mr. Chandrajeet. Okay, Chandrajeet, most welcome here in the center. And now from my right side, I will say I'm talking about girls, and Miss Tanu is very ready today to make the session very interesting. And now from this side, boys side, okay, boys are looking great in numbers today, because today they are going to talk about themselves, their problems of, will be solved after this beautiful debate. Okay, so I want to call Mr. Saqib here. Please welcome Mr. Saqib. Okay, now today numbers of girls are more than the numbers of boys. Okay, in the history of SMB English, normally it does not happen. Physical numbers are always less than boys. Okay, boys numbers. But if you talk about talent, quality, girls are always having upper hands. But viewers, you will decide today who are doing better today. Sir, chashme wale bhai pe baatein na kariye, right? Don't do that, understand? If you talk like this and you're smiling, next is you. He's smiling, next is you. Sir, don't smile, record him. Don't smile, after some time you will be sent into Shillong, okay, and Shimla maybe, right? Do you want to go and see the, deaf मेहताब? वहाँ पे मेहताब नहीं मिलेगा. आप ऐसे करें, अंधेरा ही अंधेरा रहेगा, right? Okay, so don't do this. Now last but not the least, I'm calling Miss Sania. Right? Make it very fiery. 1 मिनट में ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लेने का, क्योंकि लंबा चौड़ा स्पीच दे रहा. नहीं, बात करना है बहुत पॉइंटेड, राइट? लोगों को पता चलना चाहिए कि बेगूसराय में कुछ हो रहा है, समझे? अंग्रेजी मुश्किल नहीं है, इट्स वेरी इजी. ओके, सो नाउ माइक इज योर्स. माय बैड हैबिट, आई डू नॉट.
Sir, is it on or off?
मतलब ये भी नहीं दिखता. प्लीज क्लास.
A very good morning to one and all present here. Good morning. So I hope you all are fine. I'm also perfectly fine. So today we all are sitting here for a beautiful discussion. Today I will explain you the condition of women in India, and other team will make you understand what is the condition of man in India. So I want to initiate the topic by saying that the worth of a civilization can be judged by the place given in women in this society. If I talk about Vedic civilization, then that time man and woman were equal for all the aspects of life. In India, 80% of population worships for a woman as a Ma Durga, as a Lakshmi, as a Saraswati. In India, there is a 48% of women, and if I talk about men, there are 52% of men.
ये 4% गया कहाँ? I want to know that. Where are the 4%? They were killed in the womb of the mother. And you're talking about men are facing the problems. ये जो अंतर है, why? Why the
Exact.
percentage of girls are less than men's percentage? Tell me. कहाँ गया ये? 30 खा गया, आसमान निकल गया, बताओ.
If do you have reply, then please write in the comment box.
कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखिए. बच्चों को पेट में मार दिया जाता है. You're doing 40 sides. It is happening.
We always talking about proud. What is proud? We reached on the moon, but still, harassment is going on in women.
Right. आसमान पे पहुंच गए, चांद पे पहुंच गए. और
Women are flying planes, even fighter jets. But while the waiting time, women go on the stage with her soft leg, and that time the four lady will hold her. Why?
That is tradition, madam. Don't do that. आप अकेले दौड़ के जाना. Right. That is tradition. That looks, थोड़ा नजाकत दिखता है. Right. Yeah.
So I will come again. My another team will come you and make you understand what is the condition of man.
So it's not about a man or woman. It's about the humanity. Every time our people always came aside that we are against a woman or we are against a man. But we have to think what is going on these days. What is the purpose of these days we have to think. Because as our constitution says as per Article 14 that there is right of equality. Everyone is equal as per the constitution. So we have to think like that. People are now these days, I am also talking about the issue of men, which is from many times burdened, ignored, and even ridiculed.
Right.
We are focusing on women empowerment. We are always focusing on we have to give the right to women, we have to give this right, we have to give that right, but we are not focusing on the men. Man is also a human. We have to focus on that things that man is also a human and he has also some rights. Because any person's if he has rights as per our constitution, because India is a democratic country, it is not a dictatorship. So every person has their right. So if we are talking about what he or her family is doing, we have to focus on the men empowerment also, and we have to also focus on everyone's right. We have also focused on everyone's right. We are only focusing on men empowerment or women empowerment. Our peoples or the audience are always came aside that we are against him or we are against her. But in nowadays, as we can see, the repeatedly cases against the men, the many crime cases against men are going on. So we have to think why these cases are going in the world. What is the reason of this? Men are every time ignored. Men's emotions, men's factors, men's behaviors are every time ignored in our society. Everyone says men is strong, always. Men can do everything.
Men खुदे बोलता है ये चीज यार.
That's right. But men have also the right, men have also the emotion. As a human, men is not an object. Women, if women have the power, if women have emotions, the men have also emotions. Men is not any object. First, we have to think like that.
Yes.
So men have also the emotions. He have also the right to weep. He have also the right to do
Cry
anything.
right now. Cry for your rights.
But people laugh.
But when we are in our society, everyone says that man is empowered, man is strong, then he has the superpower, he has dominating the world. So everyone, when anyone's when man is crying, whole world is laughing at him. Say, what type of person you are? You have not that courage. You have not any type of courage. These type of questions are asked in our society, but we are ignoring these things. So these days we can see the many crimes against the men are going on in the world.
You want to speak? She wants to reply, so that's why she has come again actually.
I totally agree with his. As he mentioned, we always talk about women empowerment and we don't talk about men empowerment. But the question is that if I talk about women empowerment, then where is empowerment? Can we go at night on walk on the road? No.
No, still no.
In,
Still no, seriously.
in 31st century, in 21 century, sorry.
बहुत good, yeah. Please continue, yeah. Yeah, even the woman is powered actually. Okay, all right.
Our country is independent and we are living in 31st century, but still we can't able to walk on the road at night. I just want to say that when our country will independent, when girl will be walk at the night after 12 o'clock.
Yes, sir. डरिए मत. Man is, freaking out. लड़कियों डरना नहीं बाबू. Don't take advantage of the women.
I'm not scared.
Okay. You're crying, why then?
Why will I cry?
You're man, that's why you don't cry, but you should cry.
My dear friends, it is said very beautifully in Sanskrit that yatra naryastu puzyante tatra devaramante. It means that where woman is worshipped, where woman is respected, there God lives. Today I am not here to talk about just talk about man versus woman. It's just about truth versus assumption. It's just about truth versus rumor. It's just about justice versus bias.
Yes, justice versus biasness. Okay? Where is justice? Okay? Where is justice?
My dear
Nobody
friends,
sees my pen, actually, right?
we live in a society. Where when a woman die, the world cries. When a woman die, the world cries. But when a man die, nobody cares about it. Nobody protests for it. Nobody show their voice. Nobody raise their voice. Nobody do outrage.
What is this here? This is absolutely wrong. No, stop it. Stop it. Let him speak actually. Fine.
But today
We want justice. You want to say that?
it's not about man versus woman.
Yeah.
It's just about we are not asking for sympathy. Men are not asking for sympathy. They just want justice. They are just demanding justice.
Say,
They are
we
just
want
demanding
justice. Speak
equality.
up.
They are
We
just
want justice. Where are you? Please speak up here. Men want justice today. Hey, you have justice actually. इनका कहना है कि लड़कियों को हर केस में मतलब फेवर मिलता है. हर केस में क्राइम करने वालों को सजा. इनका कहना भाई लोग का कि हर केस में लड़कियों को अगेंस्ट जो क्राइम होता है उसमें उनके क्राइम करने वालों को सजा मिल जाती है.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by that, brother?
It's right.
It's right. Can you prove it?
Yes, sir.
Prove it right now.
If you choose any cases of women, then you will get to know that they get privilege.
Tell me
of
about
something.
Ankita
They
cases.
get.
Tell me about Ankita
They get.
cases.
Then tell me about Saurabh and Muskan
Oh,
cases.
no, you
Then
cannot
how
do
can-
this. You
No,
cannot.
this
You
is
have to
not-
talk
that-
about yourself. Speak up about Ankita cases.
Tell me Muskan and Raja cases.
And tell me about the cases against the Kolkata rapists.
Then tell me about Seema and that man who was just.
Seema Haider.
No, I'm
She's
not.
very happy.
I'm not talking about that lady. I'm talking about that recently case that going on in UP that she filed a case. She lost 2 followers. Just
छोड़ो ये
tell me
बात
about
खत्म करो. हमें तो खुद ही नहीं आता है. चलो start. Clap for me. Okay. Good stuff. Yeah. All right. Continue.
I'm always saying that it's not about men versus women. It's just about truth versus assumption. It's just about truth versus bias.
Frustrated तब होता है जब कोई लड़की उसे रिजेक्ट कर देती है. Like here I'll give you two cases. Here I give you two cases. Sana Yusuf and Preeti Rathi. She rejected just because of that she murdered. If I talk about Sana, that one boy proposed and she rejected. Because of that he was killed her just
He
because
killed her.
He killed her just because of rejection. And Preeti Rathi, she is a student of nursing, and she went to the exam. On that time, the one boy threw the acid on with her face.
On her face.
Yeah, on her face.
Yeah.
So is it a humanity? No. Is it not a humanity? And now I was not talking about humanity. It is the humanity. But where is our humanity? We
Where
forget.
is humanity?
No, where is humanity? They don't know. They forget. In fact,
Forget, yeah.
they are doing very bad thing. They forget where is our humanity. If someone has problem, if someone doing like if someone murdered, on that time they click the picture, they laugh, but they don't care. They are like a zombie.
Yeah.
They are like a zombie.
Men are like zombies, okay? She wants a separate world, okay? She wants a world from only women leaves, okay?
No, I'm not talking
तुम्हारे लिए
about
अलग
only
दुनिया
women.
बनवा दी.
I am not talking about only women. I am talking about human. Where is our humanity?
Very sad, yaar. These guys want a world where no woman can live, okay? Entry ban. Man cannot enter into that, you know. What?
I am not saying कि boys are
अब बात
zombie.
धीरे था, लेकिन वो बात सही भी है. औरत चुड़ैल होती है. He said,
No, you cannot.
I did not. वो मैं इधर इशारे भी कही. He spoke that thing. Very bad यार. औरत माँ का रूप भी होती है. औरत बहन भी होती है. औरत का बहुत सारा रूप. Stop it. A man is not zombie. Let me clear it. A man is also father of someone, brother of someone. यही तो दिक्कत है ना. Man के बारे में ये कोई सोचता ही नहीं. That's the problem actually.
Everything.
Yes, if a case, okay, if a man is traveling in the metro, okay, and by mistake he touches the finger of a girl, what happens? You know, he slapped it like this, okay. She does not think, okay, for a second. He may be a father of someone. He may be a brother of someone. He may be going to hospital. She does not think. And the same man provides seats to women. A woman wants what? What does she want?
Yeah,
She
I
wants
understand.
reservation in the metro train, in bus, but in life she wants equality. चलेगा नहीं ये वाला चीज, अब नहीं चलेगा. You want equality? I'll give you equality. I will stand, you will stand. I won't provide you seat, you don't sit on the seat, okay? You also provide my seat if I need it. Why not? Why can't you do that? If a man is handicapped, a man is, disabled, okay? Can you not provide a seat to them? You don't do this. Actually, right, you are biased right now. Woman is biased here. Sir, actually, इतना मत देखिएगा. I spoke a lot of things about men as well. So please,
I don't think
give the mic.
only
Okay?
boys
Stop
are
it,
a
Jan.
zombie.
You made your point, okay? You said very badly.
No.
She said a boy is a zombie.
No,
Okay?
I said only boy as a human.
Okay. She said very big thing actually.
So I want to talk by the real fact. That is, there is about 70% cases of the men doing suicide in the world
Yeah.
because of the family abusement, because of the depression
Yes.
that he got in the society.
Yes.
So why these are happening? How we can say there is equality? Where is the equality? Even our government are focusing in the face of the women empowerment. Every schemes, many schemes, of the schemes are coming for the women. Like Beti Bachao Yojana, in every state, like Ladli Bahin Yojana, and very many schemes are coming for the only women. And also we can take examples, the scholarships given after any big exam like BPSC, UPSC. About 1,50,000 scholarships are given in these examinations for only the women, but not for the men. We cannot bias like that, because we cannot think that men is very rich or women is very poor. Every man is not rich. Even we can go in a village, the man or child who has not any type of education, He leaves his education because he had the burden of his family.
बात में जान है actually.
We are only focusing about that every man is rich, every man is strong, but we are not focusing on the every corners of the world.
Right.
We are only focusing on that things. That this is good. We have only to empower our women, but we are not focusing on the different cases nowadays also. As we can also take examples in divorce cases, many times and most of the times the women is given the rights
ये
against the
बात तो
men.
सही है भाई.
In divorce
Family courts
cases, in
जाओ
our
देख
courts
लो, yes,
also,
that's right, yeah.
women are giving the rights and women have the rights to acquire the children.
Don't worry, all will be well, okay, after your marriage, okay. Nothing से ना लो भाई. Yeah, he is looking that he's not going to get marriage. मत करो भाई. Don't do
So
that.
that's the main important
Yeah.
thing we are not focusing on now these days. We have to focus, we have to do. It is not about the men or women, it is about the humanity, and also it is about the justice. What we are thinking about. It is not about the anti-women. It is not about the anti-women. It is about the rights that were ignored from many times.
Right, it is happening. I agree with you, yeah. Seriously. Okay, so from today onwards, okay, we need to respect a man as well, right?
So
yeah.
we have to focus
Yeah.
on the different aspects. If we can say, we can take examples of the Sonam and the Raja Raghuvanshi cases. These women have lost their trust from their families, even from their husband sides, and from all the worlds. Even these times, everyone is against her. Why? That's the big reason women is losing the trust by doing this type of things. And trust is the main important things
For any
to
relation.
improve for any relations or to improve for the family.
Thank you. माहौल पूरा इमोशनल हो गया भाई. लड़के लोग तो they are about to cry actually today. See this thing. Can't you stand for a man?
Why not? Sure.
Yes. Raise the voice if any crime happens against a man. And I will raise the voice if any case happens against you. Then only we can grow the situation and condition of our country. Right. He said very rightly, it's all about justice. It's all about rights. It's not about a man and woman. Crime is crime. Right? Think like that. And one thing he said very remarkable, that was, if man is stronger, why is he killing himself? Why is the rate of suicide is more in boys than in a girl? Why? Man is not able to show his pain to the world actually. He hides it. Okay, and because of that, what happened? That pain becomes anxiety, and that anxiety is converted into depression, and after that there is dead end and he dies. But after some times, okay, if this goes on continue, many men won't पी मतलब नहीं शादी करेगा वो. They won't get married, okay? A lot of boys, okay, now that's like memes and all. मजाक हमारे यहाँ क्या चल रहा है कि कुछ भी हो मजाक होने लगता है, right? Reels बनने लगते हैं. It's not about reels. Where is your sensitivity, okay? Why are you not sensible? We are not sensible. We are cracking jokes, right? But हमारा जो message है, we are just trying to make the videos entertaining and interesting, because हर जगह आप लोग तो interest और enjoyment ही ढूंढते हो ना. That is why in between we are also cracking some jokes, but there is big pain inside us, right? So today, once again,
So how am I disagree with this? Let me tell you. So he said that if a girl will die, then every country will start to cry. But a man will die, then nobody will start to cry. Man.
Man dies. A man dies. Will क्या मरेंगे मरते हैं तब ऐसा होता है. A man dies. हाँ. Mr. Jesus, I totally disagree with this man. Okay? इस आदमी से मैं बिल्कुल disagree करता हूँ. ऐसे करते. Yeah.
So I totally disagree with this man. As he said, when a woman dies, then every country start to cry. But a man dies, then nobody start to cry. Who said this? Let me tell you guys. If a child will born, then if his mother will die, then she has to face a lot of mentally, physically, and lots of problems. But if your father will die after the birth, then she has to face just financial problems. And it started.
Just financial problem. Just financial problem. यही तो सारा जड़ है. This is the root of all the evils. And a woman gets married because of money. And you're doing just because of money.
No, sir. But when women will die, then she has to face a lots of problems. Woman dies, then she has to face a lots of problem. How to face the society, how to she will grow her life, and how to she will spend her life, and she has to face a numerous kind of problem, even in laws as well. And it started from her childhood. When a girl child will born, then the people will provide us Barbie dolls, kitchen.
Okay, just walk around in the class, okay?
Kitchen set, home and all. But when a boy will born, then they will provide a Superman car and many lots of aggressive things they will provide. And one more thing I wanna add here: a man can unzip their pants and they can urinate on the road. But when
Very sad. Very sad.
But at the same time, when the girl will wear a mini skirt, then people will start to laugh at you. That people will start to comment on her. What is this? Is this humanity? I don't think so.
Never humanity, actually. This is very sad, okay? This is very sad, actually. Right, yeah.
So I want to add one more point here. As Chandri said, there are 70% of cases for men, but there are also 70% of cases of women in each and every year. The women, 70% of women in country, in India, face each and every year face what? Domestic violence cases.
Yes, sir. Please reply.
Connected.
As she said, I don't want to reply that that when if your father will lose, if you will lose your father, if you will lose your mother, I will not talk about that shit. That because खुदा ना खास्ता किसी का बाप और माँ किसी से छीन जाए. I don't want that because somebody is someone's father, someone's brother. My dear friends, you all know about some cases. You all know about Sonam and Raja Raghuvanshi cases. They went MP to spend some times after the 9 days of marriage. But from that time, the Raja's time stopped and he never returned because he was killed. He was not killed by someone. He was not killed by his enemy. He was killed by his own wife. You all know about Saurabh and Muskan cases. Saurabh was drugged, stabbed and cut into pieces and filled in the drum. If this case happened to somebody, how harshful situation will be. My dear friends, just tell me if this role were reversed, if this situation is done by a man to a woman, अगर ये कोई आदमी किसी औरत के साथ करता तो क्या होता? What will happen in this India? What will happen in this world? People will show their voice. People will show their outrage. But today, when man is dying, when man is being killed, people are just silent.
Fine.
People are just silent. My dear friends, I will always say, nobody is what? Nobody is talking about it. Where means
talking about
when a woman die, women is raped. That times people do candle marches. People protest for it. But today, when man is dying, in this harshful situation, where is your aggression? Where is your aggression, public? Where is your aggression, audience? Where is your outrage? Where is your outrage? Nobody talks about it. Just think it and
इमोशनल कर रहा लड़का नहीं, ये ही इज एग्जैजरेटिंग एक्चुअली द केसेस। दो केस पर पीछे पड़ गया यार। 86 रेप्स हैपन एवरी डे इन इंडिया।
Right, sir. Can I say something? Can I speak?
yeah.
How many people were knowing it before? You tell me. 86 cases every day. 86 rape cases is happening in India. I'm talking about India.
Sir, I will always
Talking
say,
about silence.
sir,
What
I
is
will
silence?
always say that not every woman is a
don't-
victim.
you cannot
Not
go-
every
go
man
both
is a
sides,
monster.
okay.
Not every man is a killer.
Okay. Yes.
Every life
man
matters.
Is
Every
not a killer.
tears matter.
But girls, women, you should also understand men's and a man's pain. Actually, you don't sometimes. Okay. You overlook it. Actually, this should not be overlooked. Understand? Okay. Do you have any reply? Last round. Okay. Last
And I want
round.
to say something.
Yes, please, last round, and after that, I'll take some, calls from the.
So one thing, girls are weak. Girls are not weak. They made weak under pressures of under the planning of under the planning. If I talk about like when the child was born, on that time, if it is girl, they provide us Barbie doll, kitchen and room set, and many more things. And if
You want AK-47?
and one second,
No, I'll give
if
you the right now. Can you hold that? Do you have power on
if
your
you
shoulder
give
to hold like this?
if you will give me when I am
You look
when I
very
will
fine, okay,
child
very-
when I will child on that
Man,
time, if
say
you
this
give
thing.
me gun and many
Okay.
yeah
No,
yeah
no, no, she said, "Na, orbital दिक्कत है इसको." What is that, yeah?
I was telling ki why boys didn't can say take this
वो
thing.
अच्छा लगेगा किचन में ऐसे करते हुए?
अच्छा लगेगा. What do you mean? Here the man cooker can say cook as well.
That's fine. He cooks for the business, but he cannot cook in the kitchen. तो वो किचन में खाना पकाएगा तो माइंस में अंदर कैसे जमीन के अंदर जो 50 मील चल के दूर तक जाते कैसे जाएगा? मैन डज इतना रिक्शा कैसे चलाएगा एक आदमी? A man drives the rickshaw, na?
Women also drive the rickshaw.
Where have you seen?
One or two.
Just because of the society
Because of
will tell.
society, because of society.
Where have you seen?
A woman wants the job, okay, in the AC,
No, sir.
in the office.
Who said that?
So I am giving you rights right now. Okay, go and ride a rickshaw. Do the mazduri, do the farming. The numbers are less actually in this. They're doing, but numbers are very.
And I want to say something like if girls wear like a boys dress set on, and if girls can wear boys dresses, but if boys are wear girls dresses, someone said he
लड़कों से अन्याय हो रहा है।
he is wearing a short man dress. लड़के से छोटे लड़कों का कपड़ा पहना हुआ है. This is a very bad thing. We are equal, and just because of that, on that time, if their parents said this thing on that time, maybe I can say his sisters listen to this thing, and it means वो सोचेगी कि wear a girl's cloth, it means very bad cloth. लड़कियों का कपड़ा मतलब बहुत गंदा कपड़ा. लड़कों की तरह दौड़ना मतलब बहुत गंदा दौड़ना. लड़कियों की तरह नहाना मीन्स बहुत गंदा नहाना. What do you mean? It means just because of that girls are weak. Girls are thinking girls are weak. That's just because of these reasons.
Big pain you have.
And we are not raise their hand this reason.
Yeah.
Yeah.
आवाज उठेगा इसके। Good job. I can understand. Did you understand? क्या मांग रही लड़कियां यार? They want everything. They want everything, right? हाँ. अब मतलब खिलौना में उसको मतलब वही चाहिए जो उसको पसंद. बचपन में you देखो, understand one thing. यहाँ पर एक बात तो मान लेना चाहिए कि मैन एंड वुमन आर हार्डवेयर वाइज डिफरेंट राइट कुछ तो अंतर है दोनों में नेचर का बनाया हुआ ऐसा है नेचर ने ही मैन और वुमेन बनाया है राइट किसी मामले में गर्ल्स आर स्ट्रांगर एंड किसी मामले में मैन आर स्ट्रांगर कुछ तरीके से मैन स्ट्रांगर है कहीं भी मैन स्ट्रांगर है राइट तो यू कैन नॉट बैलेंस इट राइट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट कि खिलौना मुझे डॉल क्यों आ जाता थी बोले हम बंदूक नहीं लेंगे मरने का डर रहता उससे एक बार बंदूक लिए रहे अपने चला लिए वो बंदूक का खिलौना नहीं लेगा भाई हर तुम मैन भी आवाज उठाओ कि हमें बंदूक ही क्यों दिया जाता खिलौने में मुझे वो फल मिलने चाहिए मुझे वो सब्जी वाला मिले जहां हम सेफ रहे आपको बताइए बचपन से भी करेजियस बनाया था पता है क्यों
Sir,
क्योंकि आपको
sir,
मरना है आगे चल करके
We are men, we don't talk silly.
या men never talk silly things he says he won't say
We want right, not a Barbie doll.
First
We
of all,
want
he
right,
want
not
to,
a Barbie doll.
Hide their emotion. Then after some time, he will say, "I want right, I want justice and all."
thank you very much okay so now it's public round if public want to give their opinion about this beautiful conversation debate discussion whatever you want to say you can say so they are most welcome who wants to reply who wants to give their opinion so you tell me first okay
सर एज सी सेड कि ओनली वी टॉक अबाउट गर्ल्स कि गर्ल्स की तरह ये करते हो गर्ल्स की तरह खेलते हो एंड वी हैव बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड कि वी हैव बीन लिसनिंग फ्रॉम आवर चाइल्डहुड कि अब है ना ऊँट पहाड़ के नीचे उठनी भी पहाड़ के नीचे आती है सर
ये बात बड़का वाला बात कह दिया राइट जी हाँ ओके
एंड पीपल से कुत्ते की मौत मरेगा कुत्ती भी मरती है सर Right, sir.
नहीं that's great कुतिया की मौत मरेगा कोई नहीं बोलता है दर्द तो यहाँ से वेरी गुड
and in a like a man and don't hurt a man because they don't have a privacy to cry and respect we also deserve respect and same like as I respect you should also respect man so thank you sir
ओके बड़ा अच्छा स्टेटमेंट इन्होंने दिया कि बॉयज ऑल्सो वांट टू क्राई बट दे हैव नो डार्क रूम टू क्राई ओके अंडरस्टैंड इफ दे क्राई मार धो के रो रहे थे मुझे शर्म नहीं आता व्हाट इज दैट ऊपर वाले ने ये रोने की कला हमें भी दी है लेकिन सारा ये हथियार तुमने ही छीन लिया रोड पर जहां मनता है they start crying everywhere and cry you know why they cry why do they cry you know to drag the attention of the people okay crying and tears are their best weapon ये लोग कह रहे हैं tears are women's best weapon right but when a girl travels by cycle it is practical actually I have seen it right and a boy is riding a bike मैंने देखा एक दिन यहाँ पे मैं बाहर में वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा था तो लड़कियां भी थी लड़के भी थे जैसे वो बाइक पे एक बंदा धीरे धीरे आराम से आ रहा था 20 के स्पीड से आ रहा था लड़की को देखा ना उसको कुत्ता काट लिया उसका स्पीड पता कितना बढ़ गया सीधे 40 45 20 से अरे भाई क्या हो गया भाई आर यू फाइन आर यू ऑल राइट boys are disturbing girls it's reality okay on the road you know it very well when a girl walks on the road what type of feelings I'm not talking about all the boys I'm not talking about all the boys I'm talking about those road chap boys okay those who disturb girls please don't do this because of this big gap is getting created we cannot create gaps we should create love affections respects honor right thank you very much I know it will be very tough for you to share this video because इसमें बहुत सारी ऐसी बातें हुई हैं जिसमें कि कई बार मैन हर्ट फील करेगा कई बार विमेन हर्ट फील करेगा बट मेरा सिर्फ वीडियो बनाने का मतलब ये था कि वी वांट टू इम्प्रूव इंग्लिश एंड सम मैसेजेस इफ यू वांट टू टेक बट टेक द पॉजिटिव मैसेजेस ओके रिस्पेक्ट men and women both okay they are important for any nation. Okay, you cannot create a separate nation for a man or a separate nation for a woman. After all, they both should live together to make a better society, better city, better village. क्योंकि हम विलेज में हैं, बेटर कंट्री. सो एक लड़की है, उसको अगर चांस नहीं देंगे तो अभी ही राइट्स कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड हो जाएगा. ओके, सो प्लीज डोंट क्राई. सिट नीचे कर दो.
So as they are talking about the men's empowerment and men are killing nowadays, so I want to say that कि एक आदमी ड्रम में पाया गया तो इतना हंगामा मचाया जा रहा है. You know what, that 2023 से 2025 25,000 girls have killed just because of I can say rejection, that because the girls reject the boys, and there's a lot of things, and the everyday case rate is very huge in India. Now we listen only 3 cases of boys, and that's boys are making a noise. I know that it is not good, and here the girls are not right. But we cannot forget the Kolkata case. We cannot forget the Delhi case. We cannot forget the 3-year child. We cannot forget that girl. We need to talk about that. And if some cases are going on nowadays, the boys are feeling very, I can say, dangerous just because of that. So I know that this is not good. This is very bad for boys, and this is not, I can say, here girls are not right. I know that, I agree, and the girls are ready to raise the voice, but you cannot blame here the girls is not rising for boys. It is not like that.
Man wants justice. जोर से बोलिए.
Yeah, obviously man.
Obviously मेरे क्या जोर से दिल से. Loud.
Yeah, men's was justice. It is not the favor of men. Here the girls are wrong.
Man wants justice. Women speak up. A man wants justice. देखिए रिकॉर्ड है, आवाज ही नहीं निकल रहा. बोलिए. A man wants justice. Every girl.
Man wants justice.
Okay.
A man wants justice.
Okay. All right. And you also speak. Women wants justice. A woman wants justice.
Girl for justice.
Yeah. Oh, very good. Yes. A girl wants justice.
Girl wants justice.
Okay. All right. You speak up, please, brother.
A girl was
A girl wants justice. What is that? Speak loudly. मतलब अभी भी मन में कुछ कूड़ा कबाड़ा रह गया है, तो अगला वीडियो